tight living spaces. Ew. 2 beds, a bunch of stuff. That's about all we have space for. There's the bed. Actually quite comfortable. Quite comfortable, right? The beds are comfortable. You can't hear shit. I don't even know if you can hear me. Then we got a couple more living quarters down here. There we go. There we go. That's outside. Pretty dope. Kind of loud. Outside where it's raining. We'll come out the doors here. There's the kitchen space. We've got 3 bathrooms, mini bathrooms with showers. So I was taking a Duke earlier. There you go, baby bathrooms. That's the shower outside, little manhole. Over here to the dive staging area. Got all the wetsuits. And big generator, fill up all the oxygen. Got all the BCDs, tanks. Little dinghy to pick you up when you're way far away on the dive site. And as you can see, it's pouring rain out here, so we'll see. Next dive should be pretty interesting.